The TCL Flip 3 is a simple, affordable feature phone priced at $79.99. It offers crisp call quality, a large keypad, Wi-Fi support, email access, and an FM radio. However, its battery life could be better, and the KaiOS operating system isn't the most intuitive. For those prioritizing simplicity and longevity, the older TCL Flip 2 remains the better choice at the same price, offering similar functionality with longer battery life. The Flip 3 has a sleek, matte finish plastic body and comes in stone gray, which looks closer to black. It's slightly flatter than the Flip 2, drawing inspiration from the original Motorola Razr. When closed, it measures 4.22 by 2.34 by 0.78 inches and weighs 5.06 ounces, making it lightweight and easy to carry. The outer screen is a 1.77-inch color display that shows essential notifications, but it picks up smudges easily. Flipping the phone open reveals a 3.2-inch color LCD with a resolution of 320 by 240 pixels. Indoors, it's easy to read, but visibility in direct sunlight is poor. The keypad consists of large backlit buttons for easy dialing and typing. The Flip 3 has a 5MP camera with flash, but image quality is mediocre with dull colors and overexposed highlights. Video recording is limited to 720p at 30 frames per second, and the results are unimpressive. Powered by a Qualcomm QM215 processor with 1GB of RAM and 16GB of storage, the Flip 3 offers smooth performance for basic tasks. It lacks 5G but supports VoLTE on Verizon and US Cellular. The phone also includes Wi-Fi 4 for internet access and Wi-Fi calling. Bluetooth 4.2 enables wireless headphone use, and there's a 3.5mm headphone jack for wired options. While it doesn't support music streaming, the FM radio and built-in music speaker allow for offline listening. Battery life is one of the Flip 3's biggest downsides. It has an 1850 mAh battery, but talk time is just 10.5 hours, far less than the Flip 2's 14 hours. In testing, the battery dropped to 43% after 4 hours of mixed usage. Charging from empty takes about 2 hours and 28 minutes using the included 5-watt charger, which is slower than the Flip 2. Unlike the Flip 2, which runs a basic AOSP-based OS, the Flip 3 uses KaiOS, which is a more colorful but less intuitive interface. The KaiOS App Store is limited, offering only simple utilities and basic games. The phone comes with pre-installed apps like Calendar, Email, Maps, and YouTube. A KaiOS account enables anti-theft features, and accessibility options include larger text, captions, hearing aid support, and RTT mode. Voice calls on the Flip 3 are clear, with strong loudspeakers reaching up to 90.9 decibels. Though calls occasionally dropped in weak coverage areas, overall performance was solid. However, some users reported an echo effect in certain environments. The TCL Flip 3 delivers solid voice calling features in a classic flip phone design. It offers Wi-Fi connectivity and a large number pad for easy dialing. However, its weaker battery life and clunky KaiOS software make it less appealing than the Flip 2, which remains the superior option for those seeking a reliable, no-frills feature phone. For those who want more color choices, the $89.99 Nokia 2780 Flip is worth considering, while the $299.99 Kyocera Dura XA Equip is ideal for rugged, waterproof durability. If you need better photography, a budget smartphone like the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is a smarter investment. And that's our take on the TCL Flip 3. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more reviews for the best budget phones available today.